Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Syahlaura Pusparani from class 3A, majoring in English Literature Department. In this video, I will explain how to translate a text, specifically a poem, the title, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, by William Wordsworth, into Indonesian. I will also explain the translation method and technique I use, along with the reason for choosing them. This video is made for the Translation English to Indonesia course taught by Dr. Andang Saehu and Miss Fauruz Husnatul Abkoria. And let's go. What is translation? Cadford defined translation as the replacement of textual material in one language by equivalent textual material in another language. This definition highlights that translation is not merely about substituting words, but about preserving the meaning and essence of the original text. Additionally, translation is the process of transferring meaning from a source language to a target language, while preserving the original message. This process requires not only linguistic accuracy but also cultural sensitivity to maintain the essence and context of the original text. The translator must not only focus on language but also understand the cultural nuance of both language to produce an accurate and meaningful translation. When translating a text, the first step is to carefully read the original text to understand its meaning and context. After that, break down the text to identification key elements such as the subject, predicate, and object to understand the overall structure. Next, choose the appropriate translation method such as literal translation for straightforward content or adaptation for poetic text. Then process with translating the text, ensuring that the meaning remains intact while considering cultural and grammatical difference. After completing the translation, it's important to review and edit the text for fluency and accuracy. Finally, the translation is refined, finalize it to ensure it is both accurate and culturally relevant. In this poem, the title is I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth, describe the poet's experience of walking alone and seeing daffodil dancing in the breeze. Here is excerpt from the poem and here is my translation. This poem contains three types of sentence: simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Let's analyze the sentence in this poem and explain. 1 is simple sentence. Example in a sentence, I wandered lonely as a cloud. This is a simple sentence because it consists of one subject and one predicate. The translation is aku melangkah sendirian bagi awan. The second is complex sentence. Example in a sentence that floats on high air falls and hills. This is a complex sentence because it includes a subordinate clause. The translation is yang melayang tinggi di atas lembah dan bukit. The third is compound sentence. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. This is a compound sentence because it combines two main actions of fluttering and dancing with conjunction ends. The translation is di tepi danau, di bawah pepohonan, bergetar dan menari dalam semilir angin. And now, I will explain the translation process for the entire poem, which use several techniques to achieve accuracy while maintaining the poetic essence of the original text. I use four technique. In a sentence, I wandered lonely as a cloud. The technique is adaptation. I choose this technique to keep the poetic meaning while making it sound natural in Indonesia, and type is simple sentence. The second is that floats on high or falls and hills. The technique is a transposition, because the structure of the sentence was adjusted to fit Indonesian sentence structure better, and the type is complex sentence. And the third, in a sentence, when all at once I saw a crowd, a house of golden daffodils. The technique is literal translation, because the sentence was translated directly without any significant adjustment, as the sentence structure is simple and clear, and type is complex sentence. The fourth, in a sentence, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. The technique I choose is modulation, because I adjusted the word fluttering to bergetar for a more culturally appropriate and poetic translation. The type is compound sentence. Okay, translation is not just about replacing word in another language, but about preserving the meaning and essence of the original message. In my translation of I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, I applied various translation techniques such as adaptation, transposition, modulation, and literal translation to ensure that the poem's meaning, tone, and structure were faithfully conveyed. These techniques allow the translation to remain natural, accurate, and relevant in the target language. Okay, it's all for me. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.